By our special guest today, the Executive Governor of your state. I'd like to mention the gentlemen and women who will be receiving them. Again, the MD of HyperCity and his team, Ambassador Desmond Akawo. You all will be receiving His Excellency, the Governor of the State of Puerto Rico.
Welcome to HyperCity.
How are you? I'm fine, sir.
Welcome to HyperCity.
Nice seeing you.
Team of HyperCity.
Okay.
We announce the arrival of His Excellency, the Executive Governor of the State, Fubara, KSC GSSRS, accompanied by our special guest today, the Executive Governor of your state, Engineer Sheyi Makinde, GSSRS.
You don't buy jika tu other ilaka, so when I can roll para go for 7 a.m. Ndabi ko gozna jika atalata ibu dogulu, atale jika ate.
Keep going. Keep going. Go down.
No, we'll go from there.
This guy did. John, you didn't tell him. You go down.
Going next, I go this way.
Yes.
Keep moving. That is selling points.
Open, ready for business. And we'll come to the stage. When we spell hyper, we will all spell hyper, and then we'll come in. Let's go together in unison. H, Y, P, E, R, hyper.
Thank you.
No, why would it will be hyper also?
It's okay, wait. And I'll take by this. Yeah, I just made it, okay. Tell me that I'll take by this. Yeah, sure, but I will check in with them all.